up, guys? We're here on the XR400. Got some new graphics. I messed up on that side a little bit, but yeah, we're just sunsetting. We're gonna go try to get some shots of the new toy. And yeah, actually tomorrow I'm going trail riding with Kyle and Delson up in Gladwin, so you'll see videos of that as well. Pretty excited about that. So in my last video about talking about is the XR400 overrated, I trail rode at Leota Trails in Leota, Michigan. Shocker. And I was talking about how I love the bike. At the time, I had a 16 front sprocket with a 40 rear, and it actually might be 42 or 40, I can't remember. Regardless, I've gone down to a 15 because when I was in those trails, I was in second the whole time. I want to be able to go to second, third, maybe fourth, down to third, fourth, down to second, third, second. Like, I like dancing the gears. I'm a two-stroke guy, so I don't want to sit in second gear the whole time. And what I will say, that doing this type of stuff, the 16 front sprocket is a lot better. But I'm dogging it right now. I'm just trying to talk to you guys. Gotta be careful around these corners. I put an ND filter on my GoPro, so if the footage looks like shit, I'm sorry, because I want to get that nice smooth motion blur, but there's no sun, it's dark, so it probably didn't work that well. Bunny! Bunny! Oh, that's how you end up dead. You look at the bunny and then you go swerving oncoming traffic. I'm retarded. Shame on me. DJ! What's up, dudes? I forgot my joysticks. Like a moron. What a dummy. We got the XR400 though. Look at that. Let's get some clips real quick though. much of a drone pilot, but hopefully that was cool. This is the XR400 as she sits right now. Got the new graphics, dudes. And ladies, maybe, possibly. Don't you just love it? Okay, we're gonna head back and yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna talk about, but oops. She was getting a little flooded when I was coming here because I gotta putz it through these rocks. I'm not trying to puncture a tube before I go trail riding tomorrow. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed my really poopy piloting skills. I forgot my joysticks at home for some reason, so that was kind of hard to control with like basically sticking my thumbs into the controller. First off, I want to shout out my brand new wife. We finally got married after almost 11 years of dating. She's the love of my life, and she got me this drone as our wedding gift, which let me know in the comments if a wedding gift is actually a thing, because I think she made it up, but I don't know why you would make it up and then spend $1,000 on that. So, but yeah, shout out to her first, but real shout out to Ryan, one of the fellow barn goons. He got one and he brought it over to Seamold's barn one day and I was like instantly sold. I'm like, dude, this thing is so cool. And then I went home and told my wife, I was like, that thing is so cool. And then she bought it. So I think I married the right one. So I guess we're gonna navigate these rocks as carefully as we can without killing ourselves, and then head on home. You see? Got my rubber ring on. I'm a taken man now. I've been taken for a long time, but now I'm officially a taken man. Sunset. Yeah, just like a little quick video. I'm trying to make as much content as I can for you guys, but like I'm also like not a full-time YouTuber. Like it's not gonna ruin my day if I don't make content, but you know, I like doing it. This is fun. It gives me something to do. I really like video editing and making stuff, so if I can find an excuse to bust out some cameras and film some stuff and edit it and post it online, I'll do it. So I don't know if any of you guys are new here. Maybe drop a subscribe, maybe a like or a comment, maybe, I don't know, guys, just do something. Otherwise, you guys are going to make me crash my XR400. You saw how beautiful it was with the drone shots. Don't make me crash it. I'll crash it if you don't subscribe. This 1542 or 40, whatever I got on the back, isn't too bad for road either, though. Oh, look at that. Look at the deer. Another deer. imagine living in a place where there's no deer. It's so common here. It's like Australians running over kangaroos, except you're in Michigan and you're fucking hitting every deer that likes to cross the road. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. This is a little short video, but you know, we got some drone shots. It was cool. I just want to test it out, maybe get a little bit of the sunset, you know. If this is the first video you watch from me, maybe check out my other stuff. I have a lot of track riding videos, trail riding videos, filming with the goons, the barn goons, the one and only. Good guys, good friends. And if you are subscribed and you watch all my content, I appreciate it very, very, very much. Like I said, I'll crash this XR if these new guys don't subscribe though. So tell your friends, tell your wife, tell your family. Hide your kids, hide your wives. Oh, I should have took that trail, fuck. I forgot it was there. Alright guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up now, so thank you for watching. Short, brief video, nothing crazy, but yeah, stick around, we got more stuff coming. Thanks for watching, guys. GoPro, stop recording!